lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video will be on this look right here. I'm in love. I decided to create a winter look since winter is here and on the way. We are going to celebrate by creating this look. I'm really excited. I am playing with this Frozen 2 ELSA palette. So I'll be using some shades from this palette. That's why I created on my face. I'm really monochromatic today. I have this blue periwinkle Adidas shirt. I have these periwinkle nails. So pretty. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look as well. So yeah, if you guys are interested and see me create this look, then you guys already know the drill. Keep on watching. Let's go ahead and start on the eyes. I've already primed my eyes with, of course, P. Louise base. Then we are going in with this little Frozen 2, the ELSA palette. I was more drawn into the ELSA palette because it was a lot of really beautiful, like wintry shades. I feel like the Anna shades were kind of like just a lot of warm tones, which, you know, we already own a lot of those. So yeah, I'm really excited to just dig into this palette. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here. It's a nice like pale pink shade. It's called Fire, and this is going into the crease shade. I feel like I haven't really used any ColourPop shades in a while. I like that there's also like a little mirror on here, so it's pretty useful.
You ain't know how long I spent alone just to figure out my soul. You ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know.
Next shade I want to go into is this blue shade. This shade is gonna go all over my eyes. This is more of like a pastel-y blue, so I need like a lot of layering. Back into Fire, put that in the crease again. I'm gonna dip my hands into this middle shade, and this shade is called Flurry. It's like crystals or something. Oh my gosh, it feels like crystals. I want it more towards the inner corners.
Got a great job, that's why I do a great job. You won't get your money long by taping up those pay stubs. Download Disney movies is what they call trying to save up. I'm gonna hit the bank and it's feeling like a layoff. And fuck your feelings now, I ain't seen no ceilings. I've been building since a fucking child. Back then now that like I made it just a fucking smile. Know the come up coming soon. I've come to the conclusion that I'm about to blow.
Wow. Nice on the eyes, really changed it up a little bit. But yes, as for the eyes, I'm going to work on the face now. It's a lot of fallout, so good thing I don't do my face before I do my eyes. Primer, we are going in with Cover FX Gripping Primer. I feel like this really does a good job of like keeping my makeup on all day. Like I wore this primer every day in Korea, and I just feel like it made my makeup, you know, stay on all day and just flawless. For skin, we are mixing these two together. We have the Dior Skin Glow and the e.l.f. Camo Concealer.
You ain't know how long I spent alone just to figure out my soul. You ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know. You ain't know, you ain't know. I really been on my lonesome for a large sum.
Here, going in with the Shade and Light Contour from Kat Von D. Going in with this shade right here. And with some blush, I'm going into the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Quad in Ghost. I've been using these really religiously, so I'm just going with this top shade and this bottom shade. They make the perfect pinky combo. Going back into the ELSA palette, going back into Fire. Going into Water for the lower lash line. Just falling all over my face. Going in with my Marc Jacobs Pink of Me eyeliner. And that is going to go on in the waterline. Inner corners, I'm going in with this white shade over here called Northern Lights. Pop some of that. It's like a nice, like pinky color to it. For the lashes, I'm going in with these ColourPop falsies. This is in the style Chica. So super cute. Alright, so we are almost done with this look. I actually had some difficulties with these lashes. I think the glue was having a hard time just being on top of this shade right here, which is really, really glittery. So I think it was giving me a hard time. That took a while, and I feel like the lashes are actually kind of flimsy still, especially like in the front parts, because there's just so much of that glitter. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to work with what I have. Hopefully it isn't too noticeable, but I'm just going to finish this look off really quickly. I'm going in with the Moonchild palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going in with this shade called Blue Moon. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue ice as well, which is on this side. That one's gonna be on the nose area. On the top of the lips. I'm gonna add the top part here as well. For the lips, I'm going in with this pink shade called Coco K from Kylie Cosmetics. Nice baby pink shade. And then I'm going to finish off with some little snowflakes on my face. So let's see how that works. I'm not really sure how that's gonna be, but I think I'm just gonna draw like right here in the edge. Just I'm using the ColourPop liquid liner, and this is in the shade Graceland. This looks really bad.
I got a great job, that's why I do a great job. You don't get your money long by taping up those pay stubs. Download Disney movies is what they call trying to save up. I'm gonna hit the bank and it's feeling like a layoff. And fuck your feelings now, I ain't seen no ceilings. I've been building since a fucking child. Back then now that like I made it just a fucking smile. No to come up.
It's not even at all, but oh well, I tried. Let's put some
hard time, let it go.
white dots around.
I spent 2 years alone.
there we go. Should I maybe add a little bit of this to the lips? Maybe I'll add Northern Lights. I'm obsessed. Alright, you guys, I am done with this look. This is my winter makeup look. I really love it. I actually love these little, I mean, from afar it doesn't look too bad, but like if you look up close, these snowflakes are actually really bad, really bad. So I really applaud the people who are able to like draw so nicely on their face. But it's so cute. I really do love this look. I love this palette so much. That glitter is just insane. Very pretty. It is really hard to put lashes on top of it, especially the glue, but yeah, I love it, and I hope you guys like this look as well. If you guys did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos. And yeah, it's just really different, really nice. I like it, and yeah, that's all that I have. Until next time, I see you guys on my next video. Bye.